So ito nga, medyo, trending to, na-curious ako. So we'll see. We'll try for this Liao Liao here at Robinsons. So we'll see. Every time kasi na, punta ako dito. Haba ng pila. So anong meron? So we'll see. Tignan natin. Yogurt. Natural frozen yogurt. Different kinds of flavors. Ayun, no? So meron siyang small, no toppings, and then small, 1 topping, 3 toppings, and then iba-iba, from 50 to 30. Guys, here's the flavors, that's the flavors, and then the sizes here. See, there are the sizes, and then this is the cashier area.